Hey guys, welcome back. Mindy here. This has finally arrived. The $800 expensive headphones, the AirPods Max. It has been out of stock for the longest time, ever since it was launched. You had to wait like 2 to 3 months to get it, and now it's finally available for you to purchase, and you can even get it on Amazon, and I'll leave all the links below if you want to check it out. But for now, let's open this. Yep. I gotta see this. Let's do this. Oh. I realized that I don't need scissors no more for Apple devices. They made it easy for you to unbox. Oof. Woo! Is anyone as excited as me? Because, ooh! Can you guys see what color this is? Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful! I got this pink case just to match this pink. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! I watched so many reviews and it's here. It's finally here and it's huge. Gosh, damn. What a huge box. I'm so excited. Wow! You've seen this in so many videos, at least I did. And now I see it in person. It smells good. It smells so new. Oh my gosh, like guys, I feel like I need to sleep or soak myself in apple scent because it's just so refreshing and nice. Oh wells. Look at this. They come with like the protective earmuffs thing. Gosh, this pink looks good. I was so into this pink because I saw how good the lady in the video who was wearing this pink look, and I was just like, I need to get the pink, I need to get the pink. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we have some paperwork and it teaches you how to use it, and a USB-C to lightning cable. So I actually had the chance to test this out in the Apple Store, but it wasn't long enough to actually decide if I like it or not. But it was a really good first impression, and that is why I'm so excited to test this out once again, and I even prepared like some songs because I love headphones that have really good bass. So let's try this out. First, audio test. Okay, I need to know how this feels. Oh, wow, no, wow, it's working. Like there's this button that I press and now I can hear everything around me, and I click it again and it's become ANC. It should be easy to set up on my phone. Please let this be easy. How do I pair you up? The moment it's placed next to this, it's supposed to be paired. How? I can't believe I'm having difficulty. Oh yes, now there's a da-dung sound and I'm connected. I thought something would pop up. I didn't get that animation, which sucks because that animation is usually one of my favorites. Okay, let's test. Pack up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't. About 90% volume, I can't hear myself at all. Put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. C'est la vie, go do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. C'est la vie. So I think I've been yelling for the past few minutes, and I'm going to turn this on to transparency mode so that I can stop yelling and stop giving my editor headaches. I'm so sorry. Yep. So after listening to this for a while, I kind of feel like it has a lot of bass, and when you crank the volume up to like 90% and you have ANC turned on, you cannot hear yourself and you cannot hear your surroundings. You only can hear your music blasting in your ears, and I know 90% is too high, so please pray for my ears. Yeah, but other than bass, it has a very clear sound all around, and I can hear the individual instruments very clearly, very precise, and I like it a lot. For an $850 headphones, you definitely can expect some kind of quality listening experience. So design-wise, this is really unique. I mean, first, let's talk about the headband, which they call a canopy, and it's made of breathable knit mesh and distributes the weight so that you reduce the on-head pressure. And yes, it was really comfortable. And that is my review from that 5 minutes listening experience. It wasn't pressurizing my head after a while, so that's good. So there's like all these small little holes that is very breathable. There's air passing through. I've never ever seen any headphones with this mesh design, and I guess I have to use this more to see if it's really comfortable, like I can wear it forever kind of comfortable. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. The ear cushions are also made of custom design mesh textile, very similar to the canopy headband. The ear cushions feels very soft, and it has a very immersive seal for ANC. This entire build is stainless steel metal, very sleek, and this is sort of a matte finish so that there will be no fingerprint smudges on this, so that's nice. On top of the right ear cup, we have the digital crown, and that reminds us of what? The Apple Watch, because we also have a digital crown here. You can use this to change volume, skip tracks, answer phone calls, activate Siri. It's very Apple, it's like a touch of Apple. Yeah, these ear cups are actually removable, so you can switch them out in case this gets dirty and stuff. And like you fit it back in magnetically, so that's a very nice touch. This also comes in 5 different colors, but I kind of feel like the pink is pretty sweet. I'm not usually a pink kind of girl, but I like how this looks and I think it looks good on me. And this matches! Look at how this matches! Gosh, love it! But I think what makes this stand out and what makes this so special is what's inside of it. So this features the Apple H1 chip. It uses computational audio with 10 audio cores inside to make it sound good, to have great ANC. The H1 chip is also what makes this my favorite thing because it fits so well in the Apple ecosystem. So you guys probably heard me rave about this in my previous video, but with the H1 chip, this has the one-tap setup, which did not happen to me just now, and I'm going to try recreating it now. It's also able to switch between your Apple devices seamlessly, and that is my favorite thing because I switch between my phone and my laptop all day long, and for this to be able to quickly switch between devices, that's for me. Just makes your life so easy and convenient and saves you a lot of time. Yeah, so just like the AirPods Pro, this has ANC and transparency mode, adaptive EQ, spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, so you get a kind of theater-like experience. Other features include on-head detection, so there's some kind of sensor in the ear cups that can detect when you put your headphones on your ear and you hear the da-dung sound and it's on, it's turned on. So now the case. Well, the case is a very important accessory to this. It's like almost essential because you can't simply just leave this on your table, it would drain battery. But if you leave this inside here, it actually goes into a ultra low power state that preserves its charge. So basically you need this to save battery. This has a total of 20 hours battery life and has a 5-minute quick charge that gives you 1.5 hours listening time, which I like that a lot. After seeing so many memes and how people make fun of this, I'm kind of used to the design. Although I wouldn't exactly say this is my go-to design to carry this around. I mean, it's not really even protective of your headphones all around. So I'm like, Apple, really? Are we really going with this case? You're not even going to protect this like expensive piece of tech? I mean, this is stainless steel and this is like fabric material, so what if like something pokes through and there's a hole and like the hole becomes bigger and it... Okay, I'm just exaggerating here now, but you get what I mean. Storage-wise, this isn't the best idea, at least for me, because I am the kind that like to toss my headphones and stuff into my bag, very easily scratched or damaged if I do not give this its own compartment, unlike this. Now this is what I call protective. This is the case for the WH-1000X Mark IIIs, and it's compact. You just put things in and you close it and you can toss it in your bag. You don't have to worry about anything hitting your headphones because like it's a hard case, it's protective. So yeah, compared to this is definitely not protective enough. But yeah, let me know what you think about this. Yeah, I think I'm with the majority here. I don't really like the case. all in all, this has a very unique design, very interesting one. I mean, the moment you bring this out, people know it's an Apple product, so it just stands out. But does it stand out in terms of audio? I mean, during my 5 brief minutes of listening on this did not blow my mind. But yeah, I'm excited to spend time with this, to game with this, to edit on this, and to listen to more music on this, to see why is it worth 850 bucks. I mean, it really is mind-blowingly expensive. Okay, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos coming out real soon. I'll leave all the links below, so make sure you check them out and subscribe for more videos like this. It really does help the channel. Stay with me and Cherry. Goodbye.